Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1: turn on Wi-Fi. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi toggle off and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is forget Wi-Fi connection and reconnecting again. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on forget this network. You can see appears on screen. Forget Wi-Fi network. Your iPhone and other devices using iCloud keychain will no longer join this Wi-Fi network. Tap on forget and reconnecting again, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is airplane mode toggle on and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle off. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Airplane mode toggle on and toggle off back, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check for iOS update. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on General. Tap on Software update. If update is pending, download and install the update, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see a plug appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds, and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying the solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset network settings. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on General. Scroll up. Tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset Setting. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings is we delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm this action, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.